Hi, my name is Pat Wheeler. I live here in Loganville area, and my weight loss journey started approximately 15 months ago. I had gastric sleeve surgery on August 30th of last year, and then had abdominoplasty surgery just May 22nd of this year. I started out at 14 months ago at 375 pounds, and I'm about 223, 225 now. So 150 pounds in 13, 14 months, and loving life like I never have before, and wish I'd have done it 10 years ago. My first visit was, I guess, in July of last year, and I met with Sanji, and she discussed all the options with me and so forth, and then had the procedure on August 30th. The process, you know, I tend to overthink things, so once I made the decision what I wanted to do, I did research. I read 5 or 6 different books, watched YouTube videos in the middle of the night, and obsessed over it. And you got to be real cautious with doing that, because you start overthinking things and making the situation worse than it really is. But that was my process of deciding what I wanted to do. From my highest weight of 375 pounds, I'm down about 150 pounds now. Do your research, and don't wait until you're 56 years old, 57 years old like I did. I wish I'd have done it 10, 12 years ago when I was more active, you know, or you could do more things. Don't wait till you start having grandkids to do it. Go ahead and do it, and don't look back. It'll change your life for the better. I was recommended by a couple of people that had had procedures here, and then once I met with Dr.Chris and met with Sanji, and saw the people that work here, you know, that I didn't even think to go anyplace else. I didn't even investigate any other places. It was I felt comfortable here, and that's where I wanted to do it. Well, I can tie my shoes without holding my breath. That's a nice thing, you know. I walk 5-6 miles every other day. I'm much more physically active. I don't feel sleepy when I drive. I mean, I just feel better. Life's better. Your attitude's better. My marriage is better. Everything, you know, everything is better. The only bad part is having to buy new clothes all the time, and I've found secrets for that too. So you know, but that's a good positive thing.